Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5070311, because of this error code, that is 0x80071a2d. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then here you can see pause update. So click on pause over here, and once it is paused, resume the updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and again click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the top here you can see app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then again make a right click on restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11. If you see retry option over here, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. This will take some time. In my case it's already done. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5070311. And then click on search over here. Let me change the language. Now check the version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check the version. In my case it's version 25H2, and then open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option and check the system type. So in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5070311 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, and then you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option, click on recovery. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then you have to click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let it close automatically. Here you can this will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, next, accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 with this update. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.